Okay, children, so we are continuing with exercise 8.1 as you can see, and we are on sum number 3. Now here I need your undivided attention. That means you have to pay very careful attention as to how these sums are being done. Write the given ratios in the simplest form. The first one is 1200 is to 500. So sum number 3, A, 1200 is to 500. They are saying to reduce it or bring it in its simplest form. Now reduction to the simplest form can take place only in a fraction and nowhere else, because there I can divide the numerator as well as the denominator by a common factor. So in my previous videos what did I teach you? That all ratios can be converted to a fraction. So I can convert this as a fraction. This is the first term, this is the second term. The first term becomes the numerator and the second term becomes the denominator. Can I cancel it now? Yes. 0 cancels 0, 0 cancels 0. What am I left with? I am left with 12 upon 5. Can I reduce this fraction any further? No, I cannot reduce this fraction any further. So, because there is no common factor that will divide 12 with 5 and 5 is a prime number. So, I leave it as it is. But they have said convert the following or. Let me go to the instruction. It says write the given ratios in the simplest form. Now this is a fraction, it's not a ratio. It is a fraction in its simplest form. Now I will convert it back to a ratio. The numerator becomes the first term and the denominator becomes the second term. And I have reduced it to its lowest term. So what have I learned to do out here? I have learned that in order to reduce a ratio to its lowest term, first you have to convert the ratio to a fraction. Reduce the fraction to its lowest term and then convert the fraction back to a ratio. We will be doing all the sums, or I will be doing all the sums. The technique is going to be the same, or the concept is going to be the same. B is 48 is to 32. 48 is to 32. Again, 48 becomes the numerator and 32 becomes the denominator. Now you will notice that 48 and 32 comes in 8 times 10. 8 6 are 48, 8 4s are 32. And I get 6 upon 4. Can I reduce 6 upon 4 any further? Yes, I can reduce it by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. What do I get? 3 upon 2. Now this fraction cannot be reduced any further to its lowest term. It has reached its lowest term. Now change it back to a ratio. The numerator becomes the first term, the denominator becomes the second term. And I get my answer as 3 is to 2. Part C. This is very interesting, pay very careful attention. Part C says 1 is to 3 upon 5. 1 is to 3 upon 5. Now how do I reduce ratios that are in fractions? How do I reduce ratios that are in fractions? Now this 1 is a whole number, but this is a fraction. But this 1 is also a fraction because I can write 1 upon 1 is to 3 upon 5. Now what do I do out here? When I have two fractions in the form of a ratio, I cannot convert fraction upon fraction. Cannot be done. So what I will do is I will solve it like the addition and subtraction of a sum of two fractions. What will I do out here? I will find out the LCM of 1 and 5. 5 will go in 5, 1 will come down. So what is the LCM? The LCM is 5. Now, in order for me to reduce it to its lowest term, what do I have to do is take the fraction 1 upon 1 and multiply it by its LCM, 5. Is to 3 upon 5 also has to be multiplied by 5. So, to reduce a fraction to its lowest term, or a factor, to reduce a ratio, that is both the ratios are given, or both the terms, this is the first term, this is the second term. If both the terms are given as a fraction, you find the LCM and multiply the fraction by the LCM and you will get the answer. So, can I cancel anything? No. 1 into 5 is 5 upon 1, which is also equal to, or let's go ahead and that will be 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. What do I get? 3 upon 1. Now 5 upon 1 is what? 5. And 3 upon 1 is 3. So the ratio is 5 is to 3. So whenever you are converting a set of ratios that are in fractions, you have to find the LCM and multiply each fraction by the LCM to get the answer. Let's do one more when you will understand. 2 upon 7 is to 7 upon 6. Part D. 2 upon 7 is to 7 upon 6. So now I have to find the LCM of 7 and 6. 7 and 6. 2 will go in 6, 7 will come down. 3 will go in 3, 7 will come down. And 7 ones are 7. Actually, I have already told you that if 1 is a composite number and 1 is a prime number, just multiply them, that's the LCM. And in any case, that will be the answer. Let's see. 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42. 7 6 are 42. So 42 is my LCM. Now I will take each fraction and multiply it by 42. Is to 7 upon 6 also multiplied by 42. And now you will notice 7 will cancel 42 6 times and 6 will cancel 42 7 times. What do I get? 2 6 are 12 upon 1 is to 7 7s are 49 upon 1. So what is my ratio? 12 upon 1 is 12 and 49 upon 1 is 49. My ratio is 12 is to 49. This is how you do these sums. Let's come to one more sum before we move on to our next video. In a committee of 440 members, 110 members are women and the rest are all men. Find the ratio between the number of women and men in the committee. Ratio of men and women. Now let's take up my information first. Now this is sum number 4. Sum number 4. Total members in the committee. Total members. How many members are there? The total members in the committee are 440. Number of women. Number of women in the committee is 110. Now in 440 members, 110 are women, the remaining are men. Now to find the ratio between the women and men, I must know the number of women and number of men in the committee. So if there are 440 members in the committee and amongst them the number of women in the committee is 110, if I subtract both of them, I will come to know the number of men in the committee. So I will subtract 440 and 110, 0, 4 take away 1, 3, 4 take away 1, 3. So this is the number of men in the committee. Now remember, they have told me to find out the ratio of women and men. Women and men. So it will be women is to men and not men is to women. It's very important as you go on in your higher classes to 7 and 8, you will realize that the maths teachers will teach you that it's important for you to know which one is the first term and which one is the second term. Here we are comparing them women to men, not men to women. So women will come first and men will come later. So women is to men. How many women are there? 110. How many men are there? 330. Now I will convert it to a fraction to reduce it to its lowest term. So the first term becomes the numerator, the second term becomes the denominator. 0 cancels 0, 11 ones are 11, 11 threes are 33. So my fraction is 1 upon 3, which will give me a ratio of 1 is to 3. sorry, not men, women. The ratio of women to men is 1:3. The ratio of women to men is 1:3. So these two sums again have to be copied neatly into your rule. This is how you